Hi guys, how are you doing? In the previous lecture we have talked about symbolic math toolbox, why it is so important, how we can use it, and how we can expand its using. So let's get more deep knowledge about symbolic math toolbox. Previously we use symbolic math toolbox like this. To get the answer in a symbolic way. See? 1 multiplied by 1, symbolic format. What if I said sims x in this case? Okay, it is x 1 by 1 symbolic. What we can do with this symbolic x? What if I write x squared plus 2 multiplied by x minus 2x? Hola! The answer is x squared. It actually solves this equation. See? Maybe an easy one to solve, or just make it 3x minus 2x. This x or 1x. If I didn't make it as a symbol, for instance, y, 3y minus 2y, it will be undefined variable y. So this is another implementation of symbolic math toolbox, and it's really very helpful. We're gonna use it extensively in the programming section of MATLAB. However, for now, let us make another things. If I have this, okay, if I have x squared minus 2x plus y, okay, I want it to be divided over 2x minus 3y, and the problem is that y was not assigned to be a symbol. So sims y, sims y, and as I mentioned earlier, if you click on the up arrow, you get an access to all your previous command. So I just need this, click on it, and MATLAB solves for me this equation. As we can all know, it is a very powerful feature. It's actually let give a see how MATLAB or how we could solve such equation. First, 2x minus 2x gone is 0. It is y over 2x minus 3y, and this is the answer. If I say x to the power 4 over x to the power of 3 or 2 or any variable, see MATLAB or Symbolic Math Toolbox really helpful. It actually gives us a lot of control, a lot of advantage, and saves us a lot of time to solve equations, make them in a format that makes sense to us, and many other things. Okay, if I wrote x is equal to 12 over 42, and x value came from symbol format to double format. Okay, this is all we have got for now. See you soon.